to part 3, with the first round being James and Philip. Then Thomas and Scarlowe, then Henry and Dash, then Juke and Diesel, and Ferdinand will fight another winning engine to see if they'll be eliminated or not. Philip is fighting James. Classic Philip versus James. Philip goes first. He doesn't make it get that far. James makes it like the wind, like the fastest red engine on Sodor. Whatever. James, the red engine, making it up for the tenders. He makes it on to the championships. Next up is Scarlowe and Thomas. That's cool, boys. Well, Thomas already won. My mistake. Let's see. Use Scarlowe.
Next time you come, I definitely work.
Scarlowe. Well, you Scarlowe fans may be upset because Thomas, the #1 tank engine, has beat Scarlowe 1. Scarlowe sadly is lost, as Thomas will fight James. Let's see who will win with an interesting matchup. Henry versus Dash. Is Dash or Bash? I get them mixed up. Dash. Dash goes first. What? That was Henry's turn. Oh! #3, Green, sadly lost against Dash, the logging loco. Steam Team Green is now out, sadly, with Dash, who's won. Now then, who will fight Ferdinand here? We're going to say that Dash will. Only one logging loco can remain. Will that be the Dash, right? Or Dash? Dash logging loco. Okay, for your Duke fans, it's Duke versus Diesel. Let's go. Oh, he could have fell, but Diesel makes it. And beats Duke. I'm surprised. But now Narrow Gauge is out of the house with not a lot of engines remaining. But with Duke losing and Diesel winning, it's Ferdinand versus Dash. My hands are sweaty, so I'm just going to take a break for a moment and set the engines up because my hands are sweaty. Okay then, it is Dash versus Ferdinand. Dash and Ferdinand going to fight. Dash the logging loco. That's right. Okay, let's see which one. And it looks as That's Right has beat Bash. Oh, and I forgot to extender. The top final 4 making it that far, which are Ferdinand, Diesel, James, and Thomas. Interesting matchup is next with Ferdinand. Versus Diesel. Ferdinand makes it that far. Oh! Maybe Diesel will win? Just see. Diesel wins. And it looks like by an inch, Diesel has won. And now he's beating. We're about to go back down the stairs. And it looks like That's Right is out. That's not right. And Diesel is at the championship. And which Steven will we fade? The classic Thomas versus Diesel, or an interesting one, James versus Diesel? And if it's the classic battle of Thomas and Diesel, I'm going to be surprised. But Ferdinand, where are you? You will be either in third or fourth place, whoever will do this. Looks like Thomas and James. See which one. James making it that far as Thomas, a major upset, but with a weird last battle with James going to fight. Interesting last battle, James versus Diesel, but who will be in third place, Ferdinand or Thomas? Interesting again matchup, Thomas and Ferdinand. Let's see. Ferdinand makes it that far. Number 1 engine. You lost, Ferdinand, as number 1 blue. True Blue wins, which is Thomas the Tank Engine, actually beats Ferdinand. That is right. Engine, who comes in third. But let's see who will come in second and first with Diesel versus James. Will James come first or Diesel come first? We'll see in a couple